Ready goes. Speedy Kim from the outside, rushing up Sting Tang. Reading Machine alongside, rushing up 6-8 joint account. Abon Stranger racing in fifth by Daryl 6 Vermont. 7th position Macalel on 8 down is Boss Poggy. 9 Conquista Royal. 10th position Zalasan. Then comes pound for pound Shades of Red. Second last New Golden City and Super Elegant is running in 14th. Ting Tang Reading Machine. Joint account racing in third by Sound Thrill and Speedy King. Down on the inside, Pip Abon's Treasure racing 6 by Sound 6 Tanks is Vermont. Last 450, the outstanding favorite, Ting Tang by 2 lengths, followed by Reading Machine. Abon's Treasure sneaking down on the inside. And hitting the last 250 meters more to run, Ting Tang by some 3 lengths. Abon's Racers now running in second. Reading Machine. Joanna Conspirik in Vermont. And nearing the finish line, Alex Naba Mamaril on number 8, Ting Tang. Second, Abon's Treasure. Third, close, Joanna Count pound for pound, Shades of Red. And close for fifth, sixth position, Speedy Kim, Reading Machine.